Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and right now I'm going to be talking about AMC stock because I think there might be some short squeeze potential with this stock. So what exactly is a short squeeze? So this is the definition straight off Google. A short squeeze is a rapid increase in the price of a stock owing primarily to technical factors in the market rather than underlying fundamentals. A short squeeze can occur when there is a lack of supply and an excess of demand for the stock due to short sellers covering their positions. So what exactly does that mean for AMC? If we look right here at highshortinterest.com, you can see that AMC has a 68% short interest. And so what this means is when the stock price starts to go up a little, all these individuals who are shorting AMC have to start covering their position. And so when you cover your short position, that adds on to the buying volume. And so if more people keep covering their positions, the price is just going to keep going higher and higher and higher. So in a nutshell, that is what a short squeeze is. And if we take a real life example, let's start with GameStop. You can see GameStop has a ridiculous amount of short interest at 136%. So if we look at GameStop on the daily time frame, you can see since September, this stock has been going crazy, not because of its fundamentals, because of its high short interest. Short sellers kept covering their position, which has led to higher and higher share price. So if we go even further back, you can see we haven't seen this type of price since about 2015. So this has nothing to do with fundamentals, and that is one of the biggest things to understand. Most people understand GameStop is not going to be a company of the future. So if we look at the history of GameStop, you could see that this stock trades tightly with its 50-day SMA. It's either below or above by not too much. Whereas right now we are extremely above our 50-day SMA. And so now if we go to AMC stock, this is exactly where we are current day. We have been in a significant downtrend for a very long time. So you can see right here, we had a significant amount of buying volume come in on the 15th, which was the last trading session. And if we use this line of support that I drew in, we back tested it here, we bounced off, and then over here we broke down quite a bit. We came back up, and right now we are sitting right above this line of support. And so what I am looking for right now is an initiation of a short squeeze. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but because the short interest of the stock is so high and this price is near a 52-week low, and we have bounced off this line of support and currently sitting on top of it, I am looking for a slight run up. And so this is a stock that I may open up a position in tomorrow, depending on if we can hold this line of support. So if I see solid price action above this line of support, maybe another back test, I will initiate a position in anticipation of a short squeeze. So even if we don't get that short squeeze that I want, we have been trading in this trading channel for a while. And so there is a high probability that we do test this top line of resistance, which is around $3.15. And so there is still some upside room to squeeze out a play. But if we do break this line of resistance right here, I think that could initiate a crazy short squeeze where a lot of short sellers start to cover their position, and that adds to the momentum to the upside. And so this is just one of those plays that I have on my radar. I wanted to let you guys know about this play as well. And I always like to look at companies that have significantly high short interest. One infamous stock that has had a ton of short interest was Tesla, and we know exactly what happened with Tesla. More recently, GameStop has 130% short interest, and we have seen what has happened with GameStop. So I'm not saying the same thing is going to happen to AMC, but it is a stock that you should have on your radar because there is that potential that it could squeeze. And so on Friday, we were up 6.88% on very high volume. So I am very excited to see how this stock opens tomorrow. And if it does stay above this support line, I personally will open a position. I will keep you guys updated on this, but this was just a quick short squeeze potential stock that I wanted to put on your guys' radar. If you guys like these update videos, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 1K subscribers, so if you guys did make it to this part of the video, feel free to hit that subscribe button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I will see you guys in the next one.